Absolute beast. Oh, really? Alright guys, how you doing? It's been a long day. This morning I had to look after the kids while the missus was at work, and then because of how this is working with the lockdown I had to go out after she got back, do my jobs, and I'm just on the way home now. So it's about 7 o'clock at night in Scotland, but I just felt like on the way just taking the KRATON out for a little blast. I was actually going to take the Limitless, but where I'm working tomorrow I know there's better roads, so I'm going to take that with me tomorrow. But yeah, this is running on 6S today. Like I say, because I was going to take the Limitless, I didn't charge my 8S batteries. But if you noticed as well, this is for gas FPV. I've actually washed it, so he was at me for when my car's dirty, but it's all nice and clean now. So I'm going to get a wee bit of a bash for this just now. Nothing too insane, but I was going to use my head cam and do it that way, but just being one of the days that I'm having, I forgot to bring my GoPro. I've got my camera mount, but I never brought the GoPro. I've even got the little my spare batteries, but left that on charge. So I'll be working with my big Panasonic camera today. I'll see what I can do, but hopefully this will turn out a nice wee video anyway. You can see if I can line this one up. Might like this little jump when I get it right. Let's see what happens. Oh, I just got that there, just off the angle. It's coming off a sort of cambered angle to do that one. Let's get that again. Big KRATON, still good in 6S though. Sometimes I actually just bring it out on the 6S just because it's still quite fun. Hopefully you can hear me as well. Really loving this big KRATON. I've just got like more and more time for it all the time. Just looks so good in the air. Thing is with it as well, you can like find more and more lines just that you can't take other cars. Like there's probably not even a ramp here, but there you go, you can still send it. The big wheels just are absolutely amazing. Try not to go too rough on it today though, especially because it's so clean, but oh, really? That's the biggest wheelie I've ever done with that. Hopefully that came on camera because I think it was behind the hill. Absolute beast. See as well, the airtime you can get with it, it's just so good. For the size and weight, it just seems to float. Really well balanced in there too, that's what I really most enjoying about it. Just looks so right. Just stopped driving, I started getting some steering issues, but what's actually happened is when I've replaced the bell crank, I've not actually, must have not put a thread lock on it because it's kind of came out a little bit, so we'll have to tighten that up just now and then get back to action. Yeah, it's a strange way to do videos without having the head cam and the fixed camera, but hopefully it'll work out. But either way, the main thing is I'm getting de-stress, have a good blast. Whoa, almost flipped up there. Try and see where the car is, lost sight yet. There it is. Sometimes you've got to hold that throttle and just hope for the best. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this KRATON, and I'm really glad I bought it. Expensive car, it's a lot of money, so I'm not being 100% sure. You always worry in case you're going to regret it, but I really don't, in all honesty. I think this car's just perfect. I mean, even on 6S just now, it's still a ton of fun. I mean, obviously on the 8S it's better and you can control it in the air better, so that's why I'm not going too high, because in case I nosedive or something, I've not got the extra power just to correct it. Could just do this all day. They're not even high jumps. It's just so satisfying. This here's actually always been one of my favourite things to do. I usually add it in my videos. I love this little hill. We can't answer just how steep it is, but just the way you launch up it, it's just so good. Where are we going? Drop back off. That was good. Quite like the 6S up here, to be fair, because I mean, you can see with all the big rocks and boulders that I've got round here, you can really get in a lot of bother. So it stops you doing things too crazy. Such a fun car, honestly, so good. I might try up the punch on it next time I'm out, because it's still sitting at the stock punch, which I think is 3, so I might go up to 5. Oh, come on! Really?